Okay, everybody, earlier me and Jane, we went out and we baited the birds, and now we're bird watching, and she's having a really good time. Here we go. See the seagull? And the birds come to see you? The birds come to see you? No, there they are. We got a whole flock of them, don't we, Jane? We got a whole flock of them. Yeah, look at him. Look at them. They fighting over the food Jane put out there. They fighting over the food Jane put out there. Yeah. Yeah, look at them. They fighting over the food we put out there for them. I'm going to zoom in on this one here. Yeah, look at them. Here they come. They're fighting over it. We put some buttered toast and cinnamon Pop-Tart. Yeah, they having fun. Jane's having fun. Alright, y'all come watch, man. Look, we bird watching. We got the seagulls that come to eat the food Jane and I put out there, Bubba.
Where is it?
The food, it's right there, see? See right in front of us?
Yeah.
Oh, Jane's happy, let me tell you what. Look at the seagulls, they coming in and fighting over the food. Oh, there goes a blackbird, he got him a piece, you see that?
Seagulls.
The blackbird got him a piece too.
Where are the food again?
It's right there on the ground, Bubba, see the bread right there? And the Pop-Tart? Yeah. The seagulls, they can almost hover like a helicopter. Watch them. Yeah, here he comes. There they are. Yeah, we watching the birds.
There's more.
Jane loves the birds.
Which one is hungry?
They're all hungry. You're all hungry, bub.
Ooh, a blackbird.
Yeah, that's a crow. I bet that crow comes and steals him a piece too. What do y'all think? You see the food right there? We put some toast left over from breakfast this morning, and the cinnamon Pop-Tart nobody wanted. How many do we got, y'all? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8.
Is it 8?
1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8. You're right, Bubba. It is 8. There's 9. There comes another one. See him up there? There's number 9. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
How much is there? 9 again.
Oh, yeah, Jane. I'm filming it for you so we can put it on the computer so you can watch them. Yeah.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, yeah. We getting some good bird footage, huh?
Where's that one?
You think Jane's happy?
Now we got 1, 2, 3,
Yeah, I think Jane's having fun.
Now we got...
I think she's having fun. Oh, they flew right over our head. You see that? Lexi's back? Is she at? Where's she at? Yeah. They don't eat all the food gone. Nobody else is gonna get any, are they?
Yeah, they are going to starve.
The seagulls, they're hogs, man. They're like freaking rats with wings. I guess that's the king seagull. Look how much bigger he is than the rest of them. He's like huge, man.
Yeah.
Huh?
Look at him smoking.
Look, he's got a big old head, man. He's way bigger than the other one.
Where is the big head?
He left. Maybe he's gonna circle back over our head. We'll see him. There he goes. Oh, they might poop on us.
Oh, what happened?
They might poop on us.
Why? I don't want that one to pick on me. I don't want
I think he might finally gonna give him a piece. Oh, he left. Somebody's coming around the corner, I bet you.
Yeah.
The cat's scared coming around the corner. I bet there's a cat somewhere. That's the reason why they all left. Huh?
Oh no.
Yeah. You think Jane's happy, y'all? Jane loves watching the birds. She thinks she can catch them. Jane, do you think you can
Seagull.
catch? You think you can catch that seagull? Huh? You enjoy watching the seagulls? That's pretty cool, huh? Oh, here comes one back. Yeah, here comes one back. There he goes. Oh, there's another one.
There's a bird right over there.
Here he comes.
Dad, there's a bird right over there.
Alright, I'm gonna turn.